everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel is all about inspiring and spreading love and joy. And today's video, I just want to quickly share with you the products that I'm using to moisturize myself and put some blush. I don't have any makeup right now, but I have to go quickly run an errand, but I want to at least look a bit better than I have. So let's dive into it. I only have a few minutes to spare, so I just want to share with you this Wet n Wild Hydratant. All I do is first I do this. It's kind of like it's like a lip balm but on the skin. Okay, next up is I have the e.l.f. cream blush. But first, before I do that, I put some lip cream. And again, very quickly, how I use the cream blush just so I don't look so bad. I just look so fresh. So this, do this. Right. Put it in my eye. Put it in my cheeks. So that's there. This is, what is it called? Glistening Peach. e.l.f. Glistening Peach. Then the next one is the e.l.f. Luminous Berry. I'll do the same thing but more on my cheeks. Rub across the nose. I think I put more, too much. My eye, my lips. Press. I feel like I have a bit more color now. Put the balm again, right? All right. And then the next one is just a very, this is another e.l.f. It's just a powder highlight. Take a bit of it, put it in my nose, my hair. Again, very quickly. I just wanted my face to look a bit more healthy. And then this is CoverGirl Flourish with Lash Blast. That means it's got coconut. Gonna just shape my brow a bit. Okay, bit of the eyes. I like this because the stipple, the brush is really for thin lashes, and it's got coconut, it's got green tea, it's got all the natural ingredients that I think is gonna nourish my lashes. And then and then the last one, maybe not the last one, but just I just want to put a bit more color to my lips. So this is Wet n Wild. It's about $3. I'm just putting something on my lips. Spread. Okay. I think I'm ready to go. Last one is, I keep saying last one, Spray Mist. This is my collagen rose water. And then this is the Stay Matte Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. I love this. I keep buying this, less than $10, but then it just keeps the whatever I put in my face all throughout the day. All right. Okay, so put more lip balm, put a bit more of the e.l.f. Look at that! This looks so fresh. It's very natural. It looks very dewy. It looks very healthy. And it was really bare-faced. So I hope you like this video. Click the subscribe, like, and notification bell buttons, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Peace out. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye.